Hi, my name is Melissa and welcome to my channel. So today I'm so excited. I'm going to be decorating my dining room table scape, and also that shelf right back there, which is like two little shelves that my husband made for me out of wood. And I want to do a spooky season gothic type of vampire theme, and then we're going to be having a vampire themed little family party, which is something we do every year, but usually we just do like whatever type of Halloween theme that I'm going for this year. It's vampires. I love vampires. Team Edward. Just kidding. But I'm really excited to do this like spooky gothic look. Everything that I'm using mostly for decorations on the table and on the shelves is pretty much stuff I already had, except for my spooky, gorgeous vintage dishes. Vintage, I guess they're from the 80s, but they're called like 18 something. I'll post the name right here. Anyways, if you guys have been following me already, you would have seen me pick those up in the antique shops and thrift stores, and I'm so excited to finally be using them. I'm also probably going to do tablescapes with them for Thanksgiving and also Christmas, so make sure that you guys are stay tuned if you like all the holiday content. But all right, anyways, let's get on to decorating. These are all of the spooky vintage looking things that I've kind of set aside that I might be using. I might also pick up some other things, I'm not sure yet. And I also obviously am not showing you the dishes yet because those are not out, but this is what I'm going to first start off with. And if you want to know where anything is from, just ask me in the comments below. But most of this is secondhand. And then there's a few like Dollar Tree items and stuff like that too. So I don't usually have that spooky thing there. I had just set that in front of this like little glittery, it was supposed to be like a snow theme one Christmas, and then I just loved it so much that I just left it there. But anyways, I think, I don't know, I can't decide if I want to leave this here and put like the spooky picture in it, or if I want to add those mirrors. So we're just gonna play around and see what I want to do. This is a mirror that I got off of Goodwill a long time ago. I have to wash it still. But if you guys have been watching my channel, you've probably seen me pick that mirror up at an antique shop. I think it's so cool, and it looks like, I don't know, a bat or a vampire to me. That's just what it reminded me of. I don't really want to put two mirrors next to each other. I was thinking I'd want to put it here, but then this is like nailed into the wall. So I'm not sure yet. Our house was built in 1900, and we realized as we were landscaping that there are tons of really cool old antique bottles buried in the yard. I've got a bunch of other really tiny ones too, but I decided since there's so many of them that I was going to make some of them into Halloween decorations. So that's what these are, and I love using these every year, and if I want I can still take the stickers off of them, but they're really fun just to like keep. I don't want to get rid of them because they're so old and cool, and I thought they'd be a fun thing to keep in the house forever. So I woke up to the most exciting surprise this morning. My husband is a landscaper, and he was working at a job site and he found this old bottle. It's so cool. And then like this one, we'd never found one in our yard like this, so I was just super excited to wake up to this find. So it's still covered in mud. I'm going to wash this off and use it over here. So it says no deposit, no return, and not to be refilled. What do you guys think this bottle was used for? I'm going to put some vampy flowers in there. It's a little small, but it'll be perfect to hide these like ugly little boxes that tell us how cold and hot it is in the house. Thermostats. All right, that's it for today, you guys. How do you like my vampire themed shelves here in my dining room? I am so happy with them. I'm like really excited because I just love how it turned out so much. And now I'm super excited to be able to like take this theme and carry it over onto my dining room table, which is just going to be so much fun. Also going to be taking these red lights and adding them like behind everything. I always forget to put the lights on until the end, but that's okay because at night I want everything to be glowy and beautiful, and I'm going to be doing a tour of the whole entire house after I'm done with all the decorating. So make sure that you guys are subscribed and come back and see my other decorating videos and like what else is to come. Let me know in the comments, what's your favorite Halloween type of decor? Do you love the vintage style, the really spooky dark gothic style? Do you like the cutesy orange and black, the really light neutral colored, I don't know, the greens? There's like so many different trends that happen every year in Halloween, and I just love them all. I really do. This is probably one of my all-time favorites because I'm just obsessed with antiques and vintage things. I think that they're so beautiful and they have really special meanings and memories and past lives, which is just so fun to me. But anyways, I am going to stop talking. Make sure that you guys say hi in the comments and share this video with your friends if you know people who love the same type of stuff as us. And I hope to see you in the next one and have a happy spooky day. Bye.